and welcome to today's lockdown tune that's not a tune from Nana Funk. Today's suggestion was from the fantastic Jen Waller. Thank you, Jen. And yes, she has asked me to do a bit of painting. So I'm going to paint you something. The inspiration was a tough old bird, as we all know. Yes, that's one of my favourite things. And now I did try to play the music on my alto recorder, but I've got one little damaged finger, so I can't do it. And also it was dead hard, and it didn't sound anything like the actual tune. Jen also asked me to do it like Rolf Harris and do what Rolf Harris would do, but I didn't want to put Rolf Harris's name in me browser or do what he used to do. So I'm just going to make up what I think he did with paints. Stop talking, Nana. Right, here we go. Oh, hold on. So I'm going to open the green paint and squeeze it onto the palette. Oh, that came out quite fast. I might have to use a lot of green. Right, and we'll go for a bit of blue as well. Right. There we go. That was a bit more controlled there. So I'm going to use this, that I don't know what it is. So if I do that, and if I'm going to do, I'm just smearing, this might be abstract. Oh, hold on. It's not just the music, hold on. Oh, flipping heck. Sorry. I'll leave it. Right, so I've used that. Got beautiful Tony Hart in the background. I didn't realise that you were talking on the thing that I can't open this. No, I won't use red because I can't open it. Or the brown. So this painting is going to be called Blue and Green because that is all I can do. This is a bit more calming music, isn't it? And then just the little dabs that I do. And a bit of swirling, and I really want to use a lighter colour. Yellow. There we go. I think I might have got paint in my hair. There, oh, isn't that lovely music? Absolutely lovely. Now I'm going to use this paintbrush for the yellow and a bit of water. I'm very aware that this is riveting to watch. Oh, beautiful. I can feel, I can feel it just, oh, I've got paint on the table as well. Yeah, probably should have given this a bit more thought. I'm mixing and make more green. Right, so I'm going to see if I can do the red because it... Yeah! My new teeth work very well. Oh, this is getting a bit... Oh. And I use another brush. I'm going to use this again because I like it. So what I'm doing is I'm mixing colours to make a bit of brown because I don't want to open the brown. Oh, that makes a nice sound. It's percussive art. Right. As wonderful as this is to watch, I'm sure It's quite relaxing, it's really good fun. I wish I'd done this before. And I'll do one more little bit, like that. Oh, and I need to sign. Got paint on the sofa. Stalls. And I'll sign it with pencil. Nah. It's Morph! Oh, Morph likes it. He does. Oops. Right. So, Jen, I hope this is how you pictured Dove or Bird. See you tomorrow.